There's always something so comforting and magical about mac and cheese. But when you throw bacon on top of it, oh man, out of this world. This recipe is really quick and very simple. Let's get started. All right, so today we're going to use 6 ounces of pasta, 6 ounces of mild cheddar, 6 ounces of evaporated milk, 1 ounce of regular cream cheese, and 3/4 ounce of white truffle butter, and your bacon. Now you're just gonna add your pasta straight to the pot, and you're gonna add just enough water to cover the pasta, right? And then bring it up to a boil and keep stirring it every once in a while so it doesn't get stuck on the bottom. You can see the water starting to evaporate, but the pasta's not all the way cooked yet. And then that's when you add your evaporated milk. This is what's going to help create a nice, rich and creamy sauce. Now you add your cheese, and this is when it's going to happen really fast. This next process happens really fast. Then you add your cream cheese, your truffle butter, and just stir. The starch from the water, from the pasta water, and the evaporated milk creates a nice thick slurry that will help emulsify the cheese, the cream cheese, and the truffle butter to make this really nice thick creamy sauce. As you can see, we didn't have to add any flour, none of that stuff. And you can right now you can turn off your heat because it's hot enough to keep it going. Really quick and easy, right? Look, you're already done. Now you can get a nice bowl and we're gonna plate this thing. Yeah, all the pasta into the bowl. Look how thick and creamy this is, guys. Man, with the truffle butter in there, adds a really rich earthiness to it. The cream cheese gives it a really nice little tang that it's a pleasant surprise. You wouldn't know there was cream cheese in there, but that tang is a really nice surprise, I'm telling you. Then you top it off with your crispy bacon pieces. And man, look how gorgeous this is, guys. Oh, I hope you guys make this dish. You're gonna love it. This is gonna be your new go-to mac and cheese recipe. It's quick, it's simple, and it's delicious. Let's get to the table. Man, look at that. Rich, luxurious, crispy, truffle, cheese. Oh man. Guys, make this dish and enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave comments below. Thanks, guys.